Homemade Emirati lamb Harees Biryani, affordable recipe for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you as we explore the rich and flavorful world of Emirati cuisine. We'll be making a delicious homemade Emirati lamb Harees Biryani that's not only authentic but also budget-friendly, perfect for beginners. So, put on your aprons and let's get started. Don't worry, everything is easily available at your own grocery shop and won't break the bank. For our homemade Emirati lamb Harees Biryani, you'll need 500 grams lamb, cubed, 2 cups of wheat, soaked overnight, 2 cups of basmati rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 inch ginger, grated, 2 tomatoes, diced, 2 green chilies, finely chopped, ½ cup yogurt, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, salt to taste, fresh coriander for garnish. Preparation, Part 1, Lamb Harees. To kick things off, we'll begin with the first component of our biryani, the lamb harees. It's a delightful porridge-like dish that adds a unique texture to the overall biryani. Step 1. In a large pot, heat the cooking oil over medium heat. Once hot, add the finely chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Step 2. Now, add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Sauté until the raw aroma disappears. Step 3. Add the cubed lamb to the pot and brown it on all sides. This step is crucial for building that rich flavor profile. Step 4. Once the lamb is nicely browned, add the diced tomatoes and green chilies. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the mixture becomes aromatic. Step 5. Now, it's time to add our spices: ground cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin, and salt. Stir well to ensure the lamb is coated evenly with the spices. Step 6. Pour in the yogurt and continue cooking for a few minutes until the lamb is well cooked and the mixture thickens. Step 7. Next, add the soaked wheat to the pot. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Step 8. Pour enough water to cover the lamb and wheat mixture. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Preparation, Part 2, Biryani rice. While our lamb harees is simmering away, let's move on to preparing the rice for our biryani. Step 1. Drain the soaked basmati rice and set it aside. Step 2. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add salt and a bit of oil to the boiling water. Step 3. Carefully add the soaked rice to the boiling water and cook until it's about 70% done. We want the rice slightly undercooked as it will continue cooking in the final stage. Step 4. Drain the partially cooked rice and set it aside. Now that we have our lamb harees and partially cooked rice ready, let's move on to the final step, layering and cooking our Emirati lamb harees biryani. Step 1. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, start by layering half of the partially cooked rice at the bottom. Step 2. On top of the rice, spoon in a generous layer of the lamb harees mixture. Step 3. Repeat the layers until all the rice and lamb harees are used, finishing with a layer of rice on top. Step 4. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and place it on low heat. Let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the rice to cook through. And there you have it, our homemade Emirati lamb harees biryani is ready to be served. Garnish it with fresh coriander for a burst of color and flavor. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of Emirati cuisine. Remember, don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookery channel. Happy cooking! Thank you very much, Emirati lamb Harees Biryani lovers.